If you look on your activity list, you'll see that one of the options is called a quiz. And this can be given as what we normally think of as a quiz, an assignment that's done on the iPad in class that will be assigned a grade, or it could also be done outside of class as a grade, or it could be simply a way to allow students to review for an upcoming assessment. So in order to have a quiz, you must have questions with that quiz. So we're going to talk about today how you set up your questions and your question banks that you'll use in your quizzes. I want you to scroll down on the right side, and under Settings, you'll see Question Bank. And we're going to click on Question Bank. And you'll notice that you see this at the top of the screen, but I want you to scroll down under Settings again and see Categories. And that's where we want to start today. So we're going to click on Categories. And now we have several different categories. We can have question categories in our course Moodle, in the category Professional Development, or whatever course category you're in, and for the entire system. We're going to go strictly with the course Moodle right now, or in your case it should say whatever course you're teaching, if it's Biology 1 or CP Chemistry or Modern World History. So we're going to have our parent category as default for Moodle. And now we want to think about what categories we might want to have here. For example, if we're talking about in a history course, we might have an upcoming quiz that we want to give over presidents. Or if we're doing in a English course, we might have a category over a specific book that we're reading, or a specific short story that we've read here. So you want to think about how you would categorize this. And one way to think of this is that the parent category here is like your filing cabinet that you would normally have in your room, and each category that we're adding here is a category similar to what you might have a folder in that filing cabinet. So if you would have a folder for let's say presidents, or you might want to do it by chapters, it's entirely up to you. So I'm going to name this presidents. You don't have to put category info, and now we've added a category. And you can do this for as many categories as you want. Notice it is place that category up here, and I'll add another category in here. Let's say government, and then add a category. So now you can see that I've added two categories to my Moodle course.